Hi friends, how are you? I'm Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to minimize any app in your Samsung phone. Okay, so let's get started. For doing that we have make some little bit changes. So for doing that, swipe down, tap on this settings icon. From here, advanced features, multi-window, and see here pop-up view action. When an app is open in full screen, switch to a pop-up by swiping down diagonally from either corner at the top of the screen. Note this line very carefully. Swiping down diagonally. So you have to swipe down diagonally like this. Okay. So pop-up view action at the bottom. So just turn on this option. Okay. So we are done. Now at this moment, if I open any app like Messenger, so for minimizing, just swipe down diagonally like this. See, app has been minimized. So I'm closing, I'm opening WhatsApp. At the same way, swiping down diagonally. See, this app has been also minimized. Okay, I'm closing this app. I'm opening LinkedIn. Okay, just shrink from top right corner to the bottom left corner in this way. So see, this app has been also minimized. Okay, so I'm closing that. I'm going to Google. I'm opening a Chrome browser. Okay, for minimizing, swipe down diagonal like this. See, Chrome browser has been minimized. Okay, again I am opening photos. From here I'm swiping down diagonally. See, photos app has been also minimized. I am opening a news app. So for minimizing, I am swiping down diagonally like that. This app has been also minimized. Okay, so that's all. In this way you can minimize any app of your phone. Okay, so if you like this video, give a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe my channel.